what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Burn on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So this song's in standard tuning with your Capo on 3. The chords you'll need are G, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3, D, open, 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 2, 3, 2, E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 3, 3, and C, open, 3, 2, open, 3, 3. The strumming pattern is just going to be down, 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 And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know what other songs you want to learn down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.